Hey guys, welcome to my channel. I'm Kristin. Today we're doing some thrift makeovers. They are some of my favorites. I love thrift shopping, yard sale shopping, which obviously is not going on right now. So we're just sticking to the good old Goodwill and thrift stores for now, but I cannot wait to share what I made. So let's jump into it. Anytime I'm at a thrift store, I will pick something like this up as long as it's under $2 or $3. I don't like spending $3 on anything, so usually it's between $1 and $2. Anyways, if you find something like this, grab it because you can always just redo it and add some different florals and greenery picks, which is exactly what I did here. I didn't paint anything. I loved the chippy old little basket crate looking style, so I just left that as is and just added just some different colors in here. I'm really ready for spring. We have so much snow. It's been so cold, so a girl can only dream. But that is all I did for this. So I just added some different florals and greenery, and there you have it. Next up is this stool. It says $4, but I actually grabbed it for free. A lot of times when people have yard sales, they will throw everything to the side of the road for free, post it on Facebook, and you just run out, especially if it's close to your home. So what I did here was just sanded the top. I'd love to take credit for sanding, but it has been in the negatives here with the wind chill. It's so cold. My husband actually braved the storm and was sanding a ton of things down for me because that, or I honestly wouldn't have this video if it wasn't for him. So I will say thank you. I already have. And so yeah, we're going to go ahead. I just had him scuff sand it for the most part because I was just going to paint over the top. I'm using a light blue. It was just some chalk paint that was on clearance at Michael's. And then of course the Waverly chalk paint in white. And I was going to sand this and kind of roughen it up a little bit. I decided to keep it as is. I'm using this large rub-on transfer from Dixie Belle, and if I can find the link, I'll link it down for you guys. This is I've had for so long, but I thought this was so pretty. It's not 100% my style normally, but I thought this one was so pretty, and of course my light always has a shine through, so that is what those little bulbs are. It's just like my ceiling light, but it's actually really cool. But yeah, I just used the large rub-on transfer for this and peeled it back, and this is just so cute. I love the way it looks. It just looks. So let me know in the comments what you guys think. Of course, I haven't made a wood round in a while, so I thought, why not? I'm using the color Moss, and this is by Waverly Chalk Paint, of course. And then, of course, you're going to see a few COUTURE items in here because I have so much in so many of them. This Hello is COUTURE. I've had this for a few years, and I think it's on its last leg. I'm using the color Black Velvet, or I think it's just Velvet by COUTURE as well. And once that was done and dry, I just wanted to go ahead and add this birdhouse that was from a yard sale for 25 cents. I loved the old rusticy look, so I didn't want to do anything with this. I thought it was going to be great, so I added a ton of hot glue to this just to make sure it would not fall off. Then I thought that why not just add some moss. I grabbed a ton of moss for a Valentine project, and I just bought way too many bags, so I have a ton of moss left over. I might just do a whole moss video. I used to do those, but gosh, it is so messy. I forgot how messy moss actually was. But I thought this sign looked just super cute, and I'm just like I said, I'm ready for spring. This wasn't intentionally meant to be spring theme, but some of it is. Next, I just used this wooden sign. I grab these every time I see them. They're usually $1.49 at my Goodwill. We have this as is store. There's not like a lot of great items there, but sometimes you can find like one or two items. Sometimes you can find more, but it's usually like it's just like a wall of home decor. So there's not like anything crazy. You don't want to drive out there to make a special trip because sometimes you just walk out of there with absolutely nothing. sanded it down. I did not sand it, but it was sanded down using some white chalk paint. This COUTURE silkscreen transfer, I've used this one other time and I cannot think of what I used it on, because obviously I used it, but I'm not sure what I used it on. I don't have a clue, honestly. So anyways, I'm using the velvet chalk paste once again. And then once that was done, I peeled it back. That is my favorite part of COUTURE. I love these details in this one. I think this has to be hands down one of my favorites. Of course, I'm obsessed with trays and handles. I always grab handles every time I go to the hardware store or Menards. They're always inexpensive. I always grab them. I just glued them onto the sides and I have a new tray. I love this one. These signs here, I grabbed them from our Goodwill As Is store. So our As Is store actually prices things cheaper, and there's like a sheet on the wall and it'll tell you how much it is. Everything that's $3.29 or $4.29 is $1.49. I think. I'm almost positive. Either $1.49 or $1.29. I can never remember. Anyways, I thought I'd use some rub-on transfers from Dixie Belle once again. Now these ones are older. I have not been able to find a link for these in a really long time, but I love a good Dixie Belle rub-on transfer. These are some of my favorites, and all I did was just flip these little signs over and added them to the back sides, and I had some brand new decor, which, I mean, how simple and easy was this? For this one, I decided to kind of zhuzh it up a little bit and add some twine along with a burlap bow. Item I purchased so long ago. I think this was $4.29. This was one of the most expensive items I've ever spent at Goodwill. I sanded it down, and this was during, I want to say, the fall time, if not even the summertime. I've had this just sitting around forever, and I'm like, why am I not posting this and sharing? I loved the little apple orchard thing. It was really cute, but for fall time, I just was not going to use it for anything specifically. So I sanded everything down. I'm using the color plaster. Usually I just use plaster chalk paint when they do not have white in stock, because it kind of looks white, a little bit dirty, but it works. Using my little mini sander, I love this thing, scuffing it around the edges. This silkscreen transfer is actually from Amazon, and if I can find it, I will link it down below, but I'm just using black paste once again. There is other colors of paste. This one, it's just my favorite. I love a good black and white decor piece. Sometimes a little bit of color is okay, but for the most part, it's always black. I ended up adding some lamb's ear to this, and I just grabbed that from Walmart. But you guys, that is it. I hope you enjoyed this simple, short, sweet thrift haul, makeover, DIY projects. It's kind of a haul, not a haul video, but I still made kind of a haul with some thrift decor. But if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, I would love you subscribed. Till then, I will see you all in the next one. Bye!